Please put your hands together and welcome Nasima from Tamil Nadu.
Good evening, Guntur. Okay. Andru bagunnara? Okay. నేను ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను అని అనుకున్నాను. మా తెలుగు ఇస్ లైక్ లిటిల్ బ్రోకెన్. ఓకే, అడ్జస్ట్ చేయండి. మీరంతా ఆలోవెరా జెల్ తాగుతారా లేదంటే స్నానం చేస్తారా? దాంతో ఏ ఎనర్జీ ఈ హాల్లో ఛాన్సే లేదు. చాలా చాలా ఎగ్జైటింగ్గా ఉంది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉండే లైక్ టు బీ హియర్. సో ఐ థింక్ ఐల్ బెటర్ కంటిన్యూ ఇన్ మై ఇంగ్లీష్. Okay, so first of all, thank you for this opportunity to all of you, to the management for, helping me share my testimonial. I'm Nasima and I come from Chennai, and I am a software professional. So I was into IT, I was working for one of the best MNCs, and I was always not very passionate about job. I wanted to start my own business. And so very soon I decided to resign my job and I started my own business. And I started my company for exports. We were into exports of agri-produce. And it was my startup. I worked very, very hard to make sure it works. I was spending long hours and I wanted to get some good buyers. So I did find some importers and I started exporting my products to a few countries. Everything was well and I was growing step by step. But something very, very unfortunate happened. One of my main buyers, he just absconded without paying us the huge amount that he owed us. So it was in several lakhs. I was like collapsed. My business collapsed overnight. Anybody had that experience? Business, and then, the business collapsed? Nobody has done business here? You've experienced it, yes. It is very, very hard and very, very miserable. But that is when I was looking for other opportunities. And one of my dad's, friends, they approached us for the forever business opportunity. In my dictionary, I'm so sorry to say it here, in my dictionary, networking is like bad word. I never wanted to get into networking or direct selling. Not that I was introduced in any networking before, but because of the external, influences, what people tell you, what their experiences were. So I was totally against the networking industry. And these people, they just kept on coming and telling us more about the products and the company. And this went on for about 6 months. After 6 months, they convinced me to try the products. So I said, okay, we've tried so many things, let's just try the product. And the day I tried the products, you know what our products can do, right? I was thoroughly convinced. The aloe vera gel did its magic as always. And I totally fell in love with the products. But then I didn't want to pick it up as a business. I was happy recommending it to my family members, to, the friends around. And sooner everybody came back with so many positive feedback. Everybody was overwhelmed and very happy about the results it gave. Still, I didn't want to take it up as a business. So in this journey, I had introduced the products to one of, a cancer patient. She was literally on her deathbed, like after chemotherapy and radiation, the side effects were too much on her, and the doctors were not very hopeful. That is when I introduced our aloe vera gel. And within 20 to 25 days, the way she improved was like amazing. The family was very happy, and she told me something which changed my life forever. She said, I don't know how long I will live, but as long as I live, I will pray for you and your family. That is what she said. So that day, that moment, I found the purpose of my life. I was very, very overwhelmed because I'm nowhere connected to the medicine. I'm like, just by introducing the products to somebody, if I can get such kind of blessings, I definitely wanted more of it. And that day I decided I'm going to do this business full time. And thank you. And immediately I called my father. I said, Dad, we are going to do this. And for me, my sponsor is my dad. I'm very lucky that way. He sponsored me into the business. And we both, we didn't know how we are going to do it in Tamil Nadu, but we wanted to do it somehow. My first thought was not developing the business as such. All I wanted to make sure was these amazing life-changing products are reaching as many people as possible. I was like really excited about that. So, thanks. Back then, I didn't know what was CC. I didn't know what was, the marketing plan. I didn't know anything about it. But all I wanted to do was, help many people reach out to these products. So me and my dad actually did something. Can you go back to the previous slide, please? So we organized for a seminar for about 100 top doctors in Chennai. We invited them to one of the top 5-star hotels, and we, presented them the power of nutrition and how there's no better products than Forever Living when it comes to nutrition. So, like that's me on the dais trying to explain, passionately. And by this time, I had researched extensively about how nutrition is important. I had also become a certified holistic life coach so that I can say my things with authority. And the journey was fabulous. But end of this seminar, it was a very weird and different experience for me. I thought, many doctors will appreciate the power of nutrition. But sadly, what happened was, most of the doctors said, this is ridiculous. They did not believe in the power of nutrition. And the rest of the doctors told me, maybe your products are very good, but we cannot recommend it to patients because we are permitted to prescribe only drugs. I thought the purpose of healthcare was lost. Because what is the purpose? Giving them solutions and relief. But for me, it was hard to digest because it was, too much on the process side than the result side. But anyway, I couldn't do much about it. There were very, very few in number, like say 1 or 2 doctors who tried the products and they were very happy. They recommended to their patients. Out of the 100, there was 1 who also told me, I will use the products are excellent. I will not recommend it to my patients, for whatever reasons. So very mixed reviews, and I was a little upset. But come what may, I was determined to take these amazing products to as many people as possible. So I found another route to do it, reach out to the people directly. Next slide. So what I started doing was conducting a lot of awareness programs and meetings as often as possible, whenever possible. And this is what I was able to do. And I achieved manager position within 6 months from there. Today, I'm a senior manager. I'm an Eagle manager. I've achieved the Millionaires Club. And I've achieved the car plan level 1. All this is because of the power of this opportunity. It's just amazing. So all of you, how many of you want to become managers? A lot of hands. And Eagle managers? Yes. So I'm going to be sharing about what I did, like how you can create an Eagle manager business. Is that good? Yes. So first of all, I would, tell you this. Take pride in what you're doing. Because the greatest medicine of all is to teach people how not to need it. Correct? So you just have to use the products, recommend it to as many people as possible. You don't have to feel shy for this. You just use it. If it's good enough, share it with the world outside. And 3 things that Forever has given me, these are the most important things that I've enjoyed with Forever. First thing, I've had a lot of fun doing this business. I enjoy the business. You can see me, I do a lot of seminars and, I love the products. I use most of the products from Forever, and I should tell you that I have 0 medical bills in the last 6 years. That is the power of Forever Living products. And see, when you start loving what you do, when you do what you love, you do not have to work one day in your life. Yes or no? So do it passionately, do it from the bottom of your heart. The next thing that Forever has given me is freedom. How many of you like to be free? Freedom. I've been in a job, I've been running my own business, and I know for sure no business can give you this kind of freedom that Forever gives you. No business. In a business, in any traditional business, you take care of the accounts, the logistics, the staff, the office space and everything. Yes or no? Here, everything is managed by the company. You only have to look into the promotion and the marketing part. Yes or no? So this is an incredible platform, and I have, amazing team members. Today, I have a lot of IT professionals, doctors, celebrities, cab drivers, and students, homemakers, different kind of people in my team. And it gives me immense pleasure to know that I'm able to coach them in the right direction through this opportunity. And we have, it's like a big family. We enjoy the work we do. And freedom is something that you all should, really focus on. Because going for a job, all these kind of things is unthinkable. So just focus on the business, be very serious about it, and you will achieve whatever you want. Another thing I wanted to tell you is, this business, today my business is growing beyond cities, beyond countries. My business is running in the US, it's also operational in UK and Middle East. All this business I managed to do with just my mobile phone, my smartphone. That's how powerful and how simple this business is. So I can also tell you that, this business will give you amazing financial stability. Financial stability is living a great lifestyle. You don't have to look at the price tags before buying something. We drive our favorite car. We enjoy an absolutely great lifestyle. And we do trips very often. Next month, by God's grace, me, my husband, my daughter, we will be going to the US to meet our dearest Rex. So the only motivation for me to qualify this year, because previous years I did not really focus on Eagle, but this year the only major motivation was the minute they said it's Texas, I wanted to qualify because I wanted to thank this amazing human being that he is from the bottom of my heart personally for what he has done for all of us. And this time when I'm meeting him, I'm also going to tell him how much Indian FBOs love him. How much do you all love him? And I'm also going to give him a promise that we will together make India #1 very soon. Because there's terrific potential here, I think we all can definitely do it. So that is my journey with Forever. And I would like to, tell you the secret. You want to know the secret of how you can achieve big goals like become managers and Eagle managers? You want to know the secret? There's no energy at all. I think you all don't want. Shall I just go? You all want it? Yes. Okay. So the biggest secret is, please stop worrying about hearing a no from your prospects. Stop it right there. Because no is a part of this game. You don't have to worry too much about it. You just have to focus on giving a good presentation. Suppose you give a good presentation about the products and still your prospect says no. Maybe they don't understand how much of pain and money our products can save them in the future. Maybe. It's okay. They will get it when they get it. Suppose you're giving them an amazing business presentation and you hear a no. You don't have to take it to your heart. Maybe they don't understand that they're working so hard, 10 hours, 12 hours a day, without time for their family, just to make their boss rich. They will get it when they get it. You just focus on your goals, and you will find your yes, and you will find your success. And I wish each one of you present here an amazing journey, amazing health and wealth through Forever. And I would like to end this by thanking some of the most important people who made this journey beautiful. First of all, the Almighty, thanks to Him for making me find an amazing platform where I can help others achieve, achieve what they want and become what I want as well. Thanks to our dearest Rex for this great, incredible platform. Thanks to my family, who's been a rock solid support from the beginning till now. Thanks to our country head, Mr. Harish Singla, Nikita ma'am, all our staff. Thanks to our dear mentors, Mr. Rajshekhar Garu, Somasundram sir, and all the mentors who motivated me till here. Thanks to my entire team. Without them, I'm not here today. Thanks for the belief. And thanks to each one of you present here. All the very best. You've been an amazing audience. All the best.